Tijani Abdel Bashiru, former Accra Suffolk Legon Cities head coach. Until recently, now Okochi Emma Hohoi United. Me know can say the breaking news are Abeshim say the coach have mutually parted ways with a team my friend of Hohoi United. So what so the list of coaches are this season in the first round. We work as a second, and I say mutually parted companies. No matter how you are going to take it, the breaking news is that coach they say only Hohoi bio, and now Obekai Hohoi and Tima a friend Heart of Lions and the Pem. So now after the game, ended 0-0. Now ended 0-0. What it meant was that in 17 games, now coach we need only 4 and we draw 6 and we lose 7. So this is the total number of games I know about. It is not encouraging. And the decision was that the Chelsea the NB on say Chelsea for no was mutually let's terminate the contract. Make Chelsea abrochiri. And say no Chelsea abrochira. Coach your friend Enzo Maresca piano to Chenkra say no a new coach say make us Chelsea a looking for a player be Strasbourg for coach no near the same thing applies here, but Ghana the Tiana say on an assistant which is if the names Mekaya Shaibu Alasan and an assistant. One assistants ni nyina no omo de adwuma na to obetima ga so omo de adwuma na to anase obetima ga so omo asakere, but the key word a woman they say they've mutually parted ways. That is the key word a woman asat now. So this is the breaking news eba and ne ewie Hoho United de enra ena oboye inti remaining fixtures are aka ene say ye bono and I say ene chine say ye bono onka ho bio nti ze obe prepare for the next season next round no and obe prepare so obenya a very good coach obe replace Abdul yes Tijani Bashiru formerly House of Okobakai Kotoko last season. And I said last 2 seasons, let me say last 2 seasons. Abranda Kotoko she has to so be no. Sa coach we or the Kotoko or the has by Emma Prosper Ogum share no pan Obekai was a chingam no chingam. Ye shenesa no chingam. Tama no has no. You will share all the best. Oh, the next endeavor biano. Yes, football and yezu. We who is a football there. Coaches ebre. Coaches nebre papa because place mbobo munkuya coach ne yasake no dan say kura the coach or Kumasi Asante Kotoko ya ye nipa kabuti information e ba say ene won keka no ho na you read the season no ne ehwe na Kotoko nya yi Kotoko de coach Karim Zito ono a ne bejire ma Kotoko agbo season na wi si bo season ni wi na Karim Zito ye hu zizi de went man the league na eno na ye be pam Karim Zito nemum no me nya sure say in the course of the second round no na results bi nkoya mpanyifo be ma adwenso mbesake no players e wo hu nyina no ni players ono ka so and the recent one which is Prince Bedu ono a ne ka se ohia this type of a defensive midfielder and yakofana ba until we look forward say Sanyoma enkoye kura na enye sa na ye peno, but Sanyoma sha set a taking nose diver on hold the fort no at the end of the season. But that's what I think. I don't believe in the course of the season no assistant coach in the course of the season me pempi no eno baswa aya na the ratio say coach a obeba no obeba beji league ni swa than coach a ode na shase ewiase nyina bai ye shase egbo league ewiase nyina no coaches a omaji league dodo opa no na clubs agi league dodo opa no abra club no club no ede ni coach a ode ni share season ase ewie ye no eno na abo ama clubs na G League dodo pa o he leagues dodo a club bi age a enye abra coach bi ebe so mu in the middle of the season so enti eno no ye ncheche mu kakra ewo ho and then the time ni so ama menye na me update you on Rudolf Mensah on say echina say Yesu Kristo ma to so mienu na ama Rudolf Mensah no is likely to play against Kumasi Asante Kotoko na information a yen say e kan say Rudolf Mensah family no ma pressure now pressure them say a pavy resource because a pavy resource Nathaniel Obeng the PR of Swedru or Blacks for no or no and last week or the two just say Swedru or Blacks for no a policy I want to say omono in the course of the season no omon ton omakoko bedie so okakoko bedie especially omu key player inti ojitum say Kotoko officially atro abro omu Swedru expressing interest in Rudolf Mensah no nemomu no Rudolf Mensah is not for sale. However, na me no kase no. Omasesa omo standard china after the game. And I say e bi kura ne ya no nkomodie no ebe shase omunya touch base omunya lande e wo Swedru a. The management of Swedru All Blacks are ready to negotiate for Rudolf Mensah with Asante Kotoko. This is exclusive information I Mensah eka enne bi Saturday ya ne say omo position omo ye say so bi ton ade a me fa ne say me fun yi me ton me fun yi na me de ba e negotiation but sa me ka say me fun yi me nton a me nton me fun na obi antimi ne me mbehia fun no ho and discuss fun no ho say o de be ma me sen ti say in stance no asesa the moment Swedru All Blacks are ready to negotiate with Asante Kotoko nature say omu position of not for sale no asesa me no ka say Rudolf Mensah the deal is still on na yembo we mabaso the family no e ma pressure and Kotoko so second bid why na adwen say ode kono and also ama Swedru All Blacks for no who say no any bre ya ba enti yenti omo so say no on Rudolf Mensah by the close of this weekend the umbiano ebepie sa ono na beba beye Albert Amoa direct replacement emre ene nkrabia ene echere